All right, so today we are simplifying using long division. So with polynomials and using division, it's quite similar to how you do long division with just constant numbers. One thing I want you guys to remember that we have the numerator over the denominator. When we're setting up our division, the numerator goes inside of the little house or the half house, and the denominator stays outside. Um, so what I mean is the denominator is 3x squared, and it's going to go outside of this house right here. Okay. And the numerator is 12x to the fifth power plus 6x to the fourth power minus 9x to the third. All right. And just like we would with any long division, we're going to start with the first term. All right. And we are going to divide it. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. All right. And another thing you also have to remember when we are dividing, right, with exponents, we are going to subtract the exponents. Okay. We're going to subtract the exponents. So if we have x squared going into x over 5, that will give us x to the third power because 5 minus 2 is 3. So just like long division, we're going to say 3 times 4 is 12. X to the third power times x to the second is x to the fifth. And we're going to subtract that. Okay, we have to subtract it and keep going. Now we're going to bring down our 6x to the fourth power and do the same step over. So that's positive. So I'm going to bring my positive up. 3 goes into 6 2 times. All right. And then x to the squared is going to be divided into x to the fourth. Remember, we're going to subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So that leaves us with x squared. And now I'm going to say 3 times 2 is 6. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth power. And we're going to subtract that. And we're going to keep going and bring down our negative 9x cubed. Okay. So that means I am going to put a negative sign up here. All right. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. X squared goes into x cubed 1 time, right? Because 3 minus 2 is 1. Now that's going to give us, sorry, didn't mean to put that down there. I don't bring down the negative sign. I'm sorry. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. X squared times x is x to the third power. And that leaves us with a remainder of 0. So now our final answer is 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x, which is what we have on top. This is the final answer. All right. So make sure that your answer is always written in standard form. And then also make sure that you know that the answer is going to be on top of the house. So I'm going to write this. So answer is always on top of the house when we're doing on top of the house when we're doing long division. Okay.